yen MP oye A plus ye jizi there ono na oye MP wo oye Gomwa Central ha nti situation you are in constituency yes no omdo na ombo na onye bibi fon na entertainment no oye
because we are made to do attempt it akwana obeye sa video no na nkrofo ka say na medi na tem ni say no na dem ye no enyen na say na MP oye kwase untumi ye minister oye adwuma enye John Dumelo-A man minister oye adwuma ko bi anim so oyi sene wagimi entertainment Shatta Wale no do omoto.
It's me very sure say recently ensu yiri ba Ghana say mostly Accra nkrofo sofa ye pa me very sure say who be on grounds and also on the internet. Now one video be a poppy up on social media. I just said that particular video no nipa na sema na woka no obo honorable Kwame Asare A+ edin the MP for eye Gomwa obo ni din e video nim and I'm so Emma just honorable Kwame Asare A+ be posted that particular video no ekeka na adwen e kire nipa ko ni ye pa na just enya sem ketwa na on United Showbiz A+ aba be kire mu ne entia odidi eye nipa ko no atem na according to eye nipa ko ni video ye nam so ma A+ be bo na adwen ma no on Facebook no na nipa ko no kire mu say honorable Kwame Asare A+ ba bia me gina ye nsuo me gina nsuo mu ye nsuo yira fa nkrofo dan eye o constituency nti hwe ho asem neka pe hu dwuma bi nedi na entertainment no waye kakra eye A+ say ubetimi ni na di nkomo bia nanso se woni ni di nkomo na se wo ye wadwen ese se obe downplay the effort of entertainment in the Ghana economy o se ne wo kosoro ba fom o se ni pakono ade a obedidi watem o se ono no in the first place onye na ademo enyo ono eno hwe nsu yiri ho nsam. In the second place o se asem si ewo constituency bia obi bia ehwehwe MP ewo breko DCE ewo honum o se sensu yiraba drip machines ni nyina no egu DCE honum DCE age 40 million Ghana cedis every year. Any machines akase ewo so dey take care of all those particular things na ba ne sen and ono A+ and na obebo ni din se ompe ho dwuma bi ini na bi mu mpo no so obebo ni din no ewo sen ka ope kwan paso na nka wo de be approach no na A+ say oni ni di nkomo na se obeye wadwen se obe cassette ye musician bi ana obe downplay eye the entertainment industry ewo Ghana ha no me ade obedidi watem o se onim na se obe kase o Shatta Wale de se onim nyansa Shatta de se nyum keke no obo John Dumelo de se onim hwe ye ena radio onim hwe o se onim na se o downplay entertainment de a ene on fa ho nchew o se ne nam so e ma odidi sa guy na tem ne se guy no e kasa besi no ena o chide mu se entertainment no yeah. O said no na se kana kuma e mani didi guy na tem. Yenkuti honorable Kwame Asare A+ ne nsem odi to dwa emra.
Effort. It's omo kra no, omo nim say me ya buru suo nti no, se nsuo ba omo be find a way. They will find yeah, they know, they will not stress. Also last we were can say come and fix our roads. So be the constituency no be member fixing road we did na tem. O fi the constituency.
Now they tina they be omubo wudin.
And they're very careful with politics.
No, but how do you know? So
I know all of them. I'm talking about really bad. I'm not marking constituency. I know them.
So when you constituency,
the American say I'm talking about these two issues. I'm dealing with two issues that are can't want I'm saying that Akwana Obeka said, "Member, come and fix our roads." You are not in my constituency. Okay. And you are number one. No, I say in Afano. You are not in my what say bia.
It's baby and soon after no win ba.
Me manko jo but nipa no jina ho no. Opa on fa ne Ghana the voters ID card dem so oto aba won fa. Me nim baby original to me pese me hu. Kan asem na ye kan no mra ye kugina court a. Sa na ye kasa. Me nim baby na ogina.
Okay.
Ba me pese me chese sa nipa no se ne MP ni me na ye ne MP ni me. And at the end of the day, you know, say we MP ne me krana. Na say insu afawa. With my presenting case, you know, very well.
Okay.
Because Ghana ha yesuo no kweka. Me yan admu. Tia some na me kan yi. It's Robert would was some about family. So now me my then made was some no. Don't pretend as if say as MP no. I have to be responsible for every issue. That is not my job. The assembly has the drip equipment. ACC multi chrome ha and will be a complaint. Ya kwan ye no mo hwe MP. Assembly bia ya man bulldozer, excavator, payloader. Bia ya package one area in nachi. Ebi so ya the rent it. Normally ye adwuma ji edu sika. Na wo kwan ye. Ya say e be 2 galam say wo kwan ye na wo hwe MP. BC net ho. Bosume every year biano this be a man of 40 million Ghana near the machines are canon who MP na e den it is a you approach it differently, but there is one thing that nobody should try to do because we are made to do at them. It's a kwana obey a video no na nkrofo kan say na made na tem ni say no na dem ye no enye na say na MP oya kwasea o ja say e bia no bia dwen ye ne say A+ ya kana A+ wo betumi aka wiase ina asem be say sa akwa no wo di nti America sa no. Don't downplay the impact of
honorable asem na waka no kwasea no.
Yes
osenkafo etire du nchichemu mi ensa ose kwan bia okwasea fa so no enti ase bo no obi owo to me de na wo be chere public ni nyina ase okwasea enti wo bible mu the Christian assistant
now tell me about
thank you
now tell me about oh man worry about that now we are time no wakasa anybody who will try to downplay the impact of the creative arts in our economy, in our system, we will a big problem. For me, like, I'm paranoid because when say we are more radio, so nimi answer. Oh, Chacha, you call UTV, you nimi answer. Empress gift you to me a minister. And you John Dumelo-A man minister, or you man could be him so or you sing where Jimmy. That is the perception that is in their head. It me so can't say entertainment. Oh, Shatta Wale no do amotonyom. Just as some kind na would the entertainment be na no mega. Okay. Enti mo bet me aka say nso afo bonya abeka kire me say entertainment na eye. That was 2 days after the president of the Republic of Ghana said that we need Baswedu road A+ adawoma. Ye ono akofa engineers ono akofa quantities waye bibia cost kwan no de aba intino ye ba be ye kwan no. Is that entertainment?
No.
Like how much it cost me to give the state money to do all that the president said. I took the money from my pocket, gave it to the state to do that. The last time I said 28 years ago. Yeah, that I took my money and said, listen, I cannot wait for government. Take this money. Go and do everything. Voter. You can say whatever you want to say, whether it's parliamentary. Parliamentary. Maybe they are like Ola said, they are unparliamentary. Parliamentary, no. Ghana, you know, to me. And to me, I should be trim class. Be a me gentleman. So, Miss Min to me, be a honor you know. Ebi kura we young gentleman want to me yahwe. Into me person me different. Na me say be no never boa. Okay. Because if I take my money and that is not, look, 28 years ago, that was when the road was built, and then we are going to build the road again. Na say anya say be a may build the road no, makase o may build the road into no me ja to ho. Yet me nya Easter carnival no na highway so ho a almost year adwuma. At the same time no, when the Easter carnival was ongoing, I still had highways through there at the same time doing this job at President Ekanwasem. The Easter carnival no pay na me ma me muso straight to China. I have to get investors to come into our economic zone. Me fit China na me call Dubai. I need investors in the economic zone. To UK, I had to meet the president because I want to brief the president on the artificial waterfall that we want to build. Because the president commission artificial waterfall no next year. Me fit hop straight to Ghana. Me fit Ghana na me call Canada. We cannot run the place on EC on Akosomo. So I need solar. I need 270 megawatts. AKA Solutions say they will build me 270 megawatts. They want to go to site. I have to fly to Charlottetown. When Pinesha Bono, now to plane move from Toronto, me call Charlottetown, me coach. And you come and sit down. And you come and sit and tell me, say, entertainment lady here. Look, nigga, man. We a TV so. Yeah, like mega fucking. Because MPs are minimum since 1992. You know the politicians in this country. So don't pretend as if I am not waiting for somebody to blow my trumpet. I am buying the trumpet and blow it myself because COVID aba. But my trumpet man will know me COVID. Say your guitar there, me bo na also abubi. But trumpet you say you know to make for my own bo.
Politics sanity. And one out blow your wall.
What I say? Look, entertainment. You want to say me entertainment.
It's not about the 90 minutes. It's what you put into the 90 minutes.
We went to the World Cup. Don't talk about entertainment. Look, like it's nothing. Like yeti hey. Like yesu nimfa so the Ghana ye Jimmy for you wom sebe and ya betena ha. Unim nyansa nchen ziga, unim nyansa nchen ola. What I say, it's about to make a wasem. But if you downplay, look, me ba na me here adebi. Yeah, Empress. Unim say you baby, you free her Las Vegas or America.
Yeah. Oh, head day.
Pa. Okay. Now, research I made say in 2024 nkwano enipa I call Las Vegas cost spend this car almost spend $55.1 billion.
Entertainment.
Like enipa call Las Vegas
Gambling,
boxing, music, almost spending $55.1 billion in Las Vegas in 2024 alone. And this included spending on hotels, food, shopping, entertainment, gaming, transportation, and other visitor activities. It would have say Mekrano would be mean to me that time and can't be my constituency and other you but the young entertainment. And I'll come back to Gomo Easter Carnival. Okay. So, Ufa, your friend is saying artist performances are a course on Kwan. Sika will make here between 5 to 10 billion US dollars. Casino, any game in Kwan on 15.6 billion in Las Vegas alone. If you put that in perspective, what it means is that 41.7 million people visited Las Vegas in 2024 alone. 41.7 million people and they visited Las Vegas. Like almost in the and each visitor spent an average of about $1,322. So when you get people coming into your community, your country, and everybody is spending this amount of money, this is what you make. And we in the creative arts say people, this perception of who the people in the creative arts, unfortunately I'm paranoid. So when you start saying anything about the arts, and that's what I say any arts and I said the entertainment industry on its own a serious problem. And I mean to me control me home. Maybe I'm a cancel Empress. Say me the deal be at them but who the entertainment maybe I'm not a bit trigger me na cast me need make because nyankopon adentin na rainbow yesu so na see rainbow then yes it after ensuire no na nyankopon the rainbow be chere say on go ensuo embassy we are biom be pa cho na e ba na nsen yan aloboshi nipa 20 something we na yeso oboro
Yebegu me hoyi.
Yebegu so for na eyen nsuo enti nyankopon kra kan or the rainbow abechere still eyen nsuo na ba yi
Nsuo ba ayakora no asesa na dwen di nsuo ase abese
yeti Ghana hey yesori a yesi ye nyina ye ko hefa ye ko Dubai. In Dubai about 13% of omo GDP efi entertainment and tourism.
Hotels.
Yes. Ye nyina sori a ye ko Dubai. Ye nyina sori a ye ko Dubai. Me ko China enoma bebre o ha me hu so mo ye wo China ni Dubai nye bibia. a Land Cruiser mienu price, and it made me very angry.
Oh,
say bia obi betumi akogina Dubai no hu suo bi ni ade na obi sa omo ye ne say we no say wo ye bi ma me a ebe kose an wo check price na abro so kra a Land Cruiser 3 nti ye di agro. So if you don't understand that, you betumi aka wasem obi say akwa na asem na o kan no wan sheda nka bone, what did he say wrong? Don't talk about entertainment. If you watch that video and you don't understand and you didn't see that he is trying to downplay the impact of the arts, and he's trying to sarcastically state say idea entertainment, where even entertainment near it is a big deal, no. When who's idea na one kasa who problem. Yes. And that was the line. And the most annoying part is that you are not my constituent. So number one, me constituent. That's the fact.
only hustle.
Number two, you are going to talk about entertainment, a year. Hey, do you know what Easter Carnival has done for Gomwa? Me, my campaign message was that I will give Gomwa an identity. Okay? Mama can say me chiramu. Me ko form penny for me meet na metio. Yeah, me papa fi ko nkwatia. Me nana ba ene amanyame. Me nana ba ni din ye de to sounds na ye de ko ye boy amanyame sounds. Me nana ba no. Me fie wo bi mu nkwatia opposite Abrosande so ho na ye me nana fie. Me nana ba ma me papa ene obusufo ko akuduku. It was a man and a band, your friend Amenyame. And now, me and a beman, your bosom for Kuduku. But me, a nipper bosom, yeah, man. Me a half man, half bosom. Men are not by Nina Bema, and in an aquasi danqua or robon danqua, the cranny or robon them, baby a year dam nine, sword fire, or robon for only 2 or mobile. But me never none at Tana Quasia die or from place. It's with me, I know Kawutu well. What I say? It's they are under pressure because of Gomwa Easter Carnival. Almost starting book artists now for next year Easter. Kofo this scaffolding now but together because someone who say the impact any idea Easter no entertainment na ye makwawu no as a Gomwa for na ye den omo otwekọ into all the big men in Kwowu they have had several meetings. What can some boy be so na Brand champion some boy.
Oh.
Mungo bisana omuja osisi omu pressure da omu so mungo bisa opike
maybe sanare
mumbisa opike mumbisa omunyina bisa opike sameboa pressure da omu so omu asati book artist empelefo na ka chem say mo fa budget mbe na mo pese mo ye bia ye be ya amamu into next year Easter no be wo kwawu no ebe ye de na e manige se ebe ye de ebe ma Ghana nyina ye de ebe ma sika aba ho boys na wo kwawu no benye sika na ade ameye wo Gomwa next Easter no omu badwi ho omu ntia se bedu so na me kwan no eye den edem ade ameye no ko fo papa fo no be chance akasa akwawe oye bayfo because no me pese da bi nya botre me pese me pese me true omu challenge because I will say ko Easter it has to be something else. There should be proper planning. You know, Ghana tourism.
Okay, so what you are doing, it's like through challenge.
They have to do it. I'm not. It's not. How can you say?
Obedient to me in Kogomwa.
Obedient to me. Yampan is Eastern region. Yampan is Eastern region. Yampan is Eastern region. Yampan is Eastern region. For you now, so omu ko Easter wako. Omu etu ako. Omu Eastern region for you na betu ako ko. Omu ko. It will be there will be spill over. Will be the crowd. Which I said, Central region for you to Gomwa. It's not possible. It will be there, baby. But exactly. Oh no, it's true. What has to be done? And they say we are looking for different places. December in Ghana is big. With Minya Easter in Ghana, come on. Let's just say on your calendar, no, there are two.
Jumane kram.
What you say?
I'm na Jumane mam.
Until so be catch me say entertainment no yeah. Wo ba Ghana ha. You started politics for Ghana ha. Yeah, me try. The started politics for Ghana ha. You nyina you how are politics. Now obi say Japan say ensu ato. Ensu fan crofo. Enti no men kwahye shoe na men kwa na matachem. Na me etson say wo ko bo nipa na so say wo ko create content creation and helping people is not the same thing. Media I respect.
Me pancho enso le bi fa mo o mon kafra mo so enso na ba
Mon kafra.
Ola me ade ba ko ade.
So after watching this particular video, no, only A+ a dream. I say, so be a bit downplay the entertainment industry beyond onke kana dream and chilenana. A+ say he is not backing down. Also, no, and they are why I'm a gumuafo. Gumuafo be omani so ye pages and yas and ketwa. Into ono sadi a course, no, who say a politics and I just say a course. Honorable Kwame as a A+ say. What is a quote for penny for na meeting? Na sa meeting no makono ono A+ next year Easter ade a obeye ewugumu ano ebeji eye kwafo mpanifo ni nyina ensem also ate se kwafo mpanifo na start bookie artist for kwawu Easter next year also ade obeye no ebeji omo nsem kra wase this year de no ye de ade ye mu nketwa no na bo Kwame Asare A+ say the entertainment industry na de more my Ghana no you people have no idea inti ena mo kaseti ya the entertainment industry no A+ ese oni need nkomo entertainment asem efrim se wo de positive energy bi and eba about entertainment de ya ene oni obekasa na emo no ye wadwen se obedown play the entertainment industry de ene nya de odo ho bechew we ni nsem ona bo Kwame Asare A+ ko kan ye on